3, 2, 1. Welcome to the vlog. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to our video for today. So we were kind of lazy today, so we figured we'd just do a review and an update video on our trip so far and in the future.
That's what we're doing?
That's what we're doing, yeah, that's what I decided. Alright, so our trip started, we left Charlottetown.
Oh, we're going
all the way back. Then we flew to Toronto, spent a little bit of time in Toronto, had some ice cream, went out to eat, then we got on a flight to Iceland. From there we spent 7 days driving around the Ring Road of Iceland, which is a road that encompasses the great island that is Iceland.
We flew out of Keflavik and flew to Paris, where we spent like a day and a half. We went up the Eiffel Tower and stuff.
Arc de Triomphe.
Yeah.
Did some fine dining. And then we went to Marseille via train. That was our train we thought we were going to have problems with, but it ended up kind of working out. Spent 2 days there, went around the city, did some pizza eating, had a nice time at Airbnb.
And then we got on some more trains. We did a lot of trains after that.
And then we went to Nice for the night. Stayed there.
What about the B-roll from Cannes?
What did we do in Cannes?
I don't know, we just did a lot of swimming.
And we swam.
I really want you to put that.
Took a few. I know you want me to put it in there. I'm not putting that in there. Well,
we got sunburnt there.
Sunburnt Cannes.
Just a little bit. We applied sunscreen a lot. It's just that we didn't.
I didn't.
I did.
I didn't. I only applied.
I applied sunscreen 3 times that day and got burnt. Yeah, I don't know what that does.
Okay. Then we went to
Nice.
Met our dude for the Airbnb that night.
Yeah.
Went to the Old Town via tram.
Yeah.
Played on a pirate ship. Next day, wow, we went and watched the Grand Prix in Monaco, intentionally, of course. We planned that beautifully so we could just arrive in the town just as the Grand Prix was kicking off. So,
no, well, that's not what happened. It was a 4-day event. We got there on day 3.
Oh. Then we went to our Airbnb that night in Genoa, had a delicious Italian meal. Great hospitality. And then I was on to Venice for 2 nights. Great time there. Went into the city of Venice, had a nice time in our neighborhood. The host was great. From there, we ran to a taxi, flew out of Venice, and landed to where we are right now, which is Croatia.
Specifically, it's Split. We're at Split.
Split. Home of the banana split, actually. Don't know if you knew that, but home of the banana split.
I don't think that's true.
Look it up. So upcoming, we're going to Prague, then we're going to Denmark, then we're going to Norway, then we're going to Ireland, then we're going to Newfoundland, then we're going to Toronto, then we're going home. So that's it. That's what's upcoming for us. So that's pretty much our recap and our little summary. That's what we wanted to do. So please now enjoy this brand new series. Once again, a lot of new series. High turnover rate in this channel.
We're in a new country. Oh, okay.
Oh, Kuna.
Kuna. The new series is called Kuna.
We're shooting it somewhere else. I'm falling off.
What's this? That's pretty funny. Okay. Hi, and welcome to Kuna.
Kuna!
A Kuna is a Kuna, like a Kuna Matata.
I was going to make that joke, but I figured you'd eventually do that, so I just did.
Kuna is the currency in Croatia. This is 10 Kuna. 10 Kuna is roughly worth 2
One
Canadian.
gelato.
1 gelato or 2 Canadian dollars.
Yes. So we've named the series after the mighty Kuna.
Kuna is spelt exactly how you would think.
How's that?
Kuna. It's gonna pop up there.
Oh, our first one is kempt.
Yeah, that's
Kempt.
correct.
That pretty much means well kept and very clean. So we're gonna rate this Airbnb on how well kept and clean it is. How kempt it is.
U is for utilities. We're gonna use that to mean the things that are in the Airbnb, and
N stands for something which I do not remember.
Neighborhood.
N stands for neighborhood. So just kind of the surrounding environment, all the vibes that they give our chakra.
A is affordability.
Affordability. You guys heard of value? That's what that is.
Okay, so let's get right into it, shall we?
All right, so right now it's 6:45, the annual bell time for the Croatian people.
Annual, once a year at 6:45. The bells ring.
We happen to be here. What a special time to be shooting.
Wow.
All right, up first is K, which is Kempt. So cleanliness, you know. So when we arrived, everything was pretty spotless, nice and tidy chairs. Glasses were arranged absolutely beautifully.
Yeah, they actually were, yeah.
All the ensembles
I'll
together.
I'll give it a good Kempt score for that.
Yeah, clean. I mean, there was no dirt.
You probably can see the glasses behind
There's
us.
just some behind us on our gauche here.
On our gauche.
My gauche. So you know what? I think this is a pretty simple rating for me. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5 Kuna.
I
It
also
was clean.
I can't think of anything that was wrong with this. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 Kuna
It
as
was
well.
clean, bro.
Yeah. Next up is utilities.
Utilities.
Oh my God! Guess what we have here? A panini maker. Should we go get it?
And here it is. Wow.
A panini maker.
So yeah, well used.
Super dirty.
A lot of Gouda was fried in that baby. I tell
We
you.
made a lot of grilled cheeses.
A lot of grilled Goudas in that thing.
We have a dishwasher that's built nicely into the cabinets. We have
Yes.
an oven, a stove, a coffee maker,
Microwave.
microwave.
Fridge. You know what?
So-
I'll cut right to the heart of the issue. It's gonna be a 5 out of 5 Kuna. Pour more.
I think I'm gonna have to give this one also a 5 out of 5 Kuna.
Wow. Up next we have N, which is neighborhood. Now, personally, I think we do need to bring in a guest for the neighborhood. Could you
What?
come give your feelings on the neighborhood?
It's nice.
I was looking for something a little bit more than that. One of our fellow travelers told me earlier today that she felt very safe walking around here compared to other places where we had been. This is all true.
I know, but I don't see why it's necessary.
It's part of the neighborhood. Did you not say it's a neighborhood thing?
Yeah,
Safety?
yeah,
you gotta
yeah,
feel
definitely.
safe in your neighborhood.
Totally.
So definitely a very safe and welcoming environment in our neighborhood. Cobblestone streets are very nice. All our neighbors always say hello to us. Okay, yeah, so for neighborhood, you know what? The vibe, the appearance, the general sense of esteem that the people here have. I'm gonna give this another 5 out of 5 Kuna. I don't have any problems with the neighborhood.
You'll still give it a 5 out of 5.
There you go.
It seems like a fantastic neighborhood to me.
It does. Next up, and finally, our series ending letter is affordability. Now, so we stayed here for a total of 3 nights. We paid $321.83. I think I did that all right. Which is pretty good. So affordability, we're here for 3 nights. $100 some a night for a place that has 4 beds, all the amenities we could ever ask for, a kind, welcoming neighborhood.
The fact that we got 5 out of 5 on everything so far, and it's just over $100
I mean-
a night, I feel like
My goodness.
it's got to be another 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first ever 100% successful Kuna stay.
5 out of we got our only. This was a fantastic place.
This is a fantastic place.
Are we both giving it 5 out
I'm
of 5?
giving it 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. 5 out of 5.
For a total overall Kuna score of 20 out of 20
Out of 4.
out of 4 Kunas.
You could buy 2 gelatos.
You
with
can
that
almost
many
afford 2
kunas.
gelatos. If you go to a fancy place, it's 22 Kunas. You can't afford those ones, but you can afford the normal ones.
Alright, so I guess that's everything.
That's pretty much it for our one and only episode of Kuna. Hopefully you enjoyed, and we highly recommend this place.
Slide over, you're right in the middle of the frame. Why do you get to be in the middle?
I'm nice from the start. Hi. So that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed our condensed, updated version.
Why are we swinging?
It's fun, and I hope it makes you more motivated to follow us in the future on all of our catastrophic adventures. I'm looking forward to one of us getting arrested. So that's it for today. Tomorrow can always be better. Hope to see you then.
Bye bye.